Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a frequency table in Excel. I'm gonna show you how to do it manually if you wanna make it from scratch, and I'm gonna show you how it can be automated as well. So I'm just gonna pick this space to work in, these cells. I can put a tally maybe. We can do a tally if we want. So we have different options. We have noodles. We have sandwiches. I'll just copy paste it maybe. We have soups. We have pies. We have salads. We have pasta. And that's it. So we have 6 different categories here. So we need to make sure our table has the 6 categories. So these categories are favorite lunch type. So we'll just call that table that favorite lunch type. We need maybe a tally to just help us counting, and then we need a frequency so we can tell how many people said their favorite food is noodles, favorite lunch is noodles. I like to center all the writing and the text in the cell, so I just click here, and then I'm just gonna make this into a table. Cool. So maybe I'll make my tally bigger. So now I can start tallying. So noodles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't have a way of doing the lines, so I'm just gonna use eyes. There's usually a line crossing them, but we'll just keep it like that. 5 sandwiches. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Soups, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Pies, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pies. Salads, 1, 2, 3. So 3 salads. And then pasta, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 of that as well. We can add a total if we want, so we can add a total, and you can count it using a calculator, or if you write on this bar here and say equal sum, and then you highlight which numbers you would like, close the bracket and click enter, you will get the total for the table. You can edit this so you can check how many there is. So there's 25 people who gave their opinion about their favorite lunch type. Now, if we don't want to spend time doing this, there is a much quicker way to do this. All we need to do is highlight all the cells that have our data. We need to go insert and click on recommended pivot tables. When you do that, you will end up with I think you can't see it right now. Let me see if I can add that. Okay, so I hope you can see it now, which is this table here. So you'll get this, just click OK on it, and what will happen is it will, in a new sheet, it will draw that table for you. So it has the different categories for the lunch types, and it counts how many from each type, and then it gives you a total as well. So it's a good quick way of creating tables using Excel. Thank you.